How to use technology to simplify your divorce process. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. Divorce can feel overwhelming, but thanks to technology, the process is more streamlined than ever, especially if your case is amicable. Let's go over how using the right tech tools can simplify your divorce and save you time, stress, and money. Today, almost every part of the divorce process can be handled online. In California, many counties, including Los Angeles, now allow e-filing, which means you don't have to go to court to submit your paperwork. At Divorce 661, we take care of all filings electronically to speed up the process and reduce delays. You can also handle your financial disclosures digitally, which is a huge time saver. We use secure online questionnaires where both spouses can enter income, assets, and debts. No paper forms, no back and forth confusion. Everything is saved, organized, and court-ready. For signatures, we use e-signature tools like DocuSign and digital notary services, so you don't need to meet in person or hunt down a notary during business hours. You can review and sign documents from your phone or laptop wherever you are. We recently worked with a couple who lived in 2 different cities. They completed the entire divorce process through e-filing, e-signatures, and virtual communication. The case was done and filed in under 2 weeks, without either person stepping foot in a courtroom. At Divorce 661, we've built our process around these tools to keep things simple and accessible. Whether you're working full-time, raising kids, or just want to avoid courthouse stress, we make sure your divorce fits into your life, not the other way around. If you're ready to take advantage of tech to move your divorce forward quickly and painlessly, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you get it done faster, easier, and 100% online. No drama required,